Clear comparison of the benefits of buying a used car versus a brand new car. Does buying a used car have any benefits, or does a new car have more benefits? Lower purchase price. Typically much cheaper than new cars, even if only a year or two old. You may be able to afford a higher trim level or luxury brand at the same budget. Less depreciation. New cars lose 20 to 30% of their value in the first year and approximately 50% in 3 to 5 years. Used cars have already taken this depreciation hit, so their value holds better. Lower insurance costs. Insurance premiums are usually lower for used vehicles because they cost less to replace. Cheaper registration fees in some regions. Some states or countries base registration fees on vehicle value or age, meaning used cars are cheaper to register. More options for your budget. For the same money, you might get a bigger, better equipped used car than a smaller, brand new car. Buying a new car, benefits. Latest technology and AMP features. Advanced safety features, automatic braking, lane assist, blind spot monitoring. Modern infotainment systems and fuel efficiency improvements. Full manufacturer's warranty on most parts. But in Australia, I see on news one manufacturer refused the warranty on steering wheel leather even though it is less than 1 year old. Peace of mind. Most new cars come with 3 to 5 years of warranty coverage. Fewer unexpected repair costs. Better financing deals. Automakers often offer lower interest rates, rebates, or incentives for new car buyers. Customization. You can choose the exact trim, color, and options you want instead of settling for what's available on the used market. Reliability and peace of mind. No history of accidents, hidden damage, or questionable maintenance. Breakdowns are less likely in the first few years. Latest emissions and AMP, fuel economy standards. Often more environmentally friendly and cheaper to run, especially hybrids and EVs. Used cars are better if you want to save money, avoid steep depreciation, and get more value for your budget. New cars are better if you value reliability, warranty coverage, and the latest features, technology. Best way to compare is the lifetime cost for 5 years. That is the cost of buying the car, running cost and resale value comparison. I'll break it down into the main cost categories. 5-year lifetime cost comparison. New versus used car assumptions. New car price, $30,000. Used car price, 3 years old, same model, $18,000. Average driving, 12,000 miles per year. Fuel, $3.50 per gallon, 30 mpg, that is 7.84 L, 100 kilometers. Financing, 5% loan, 60 months. Insurance, higher for new cars. Depreciation estimates from industry averages. 1. Depreciation, biggest factor. New car. After 5 years, right-pointing arrow worth approximately 40% of original price equals $12,000. Depreciation equals $18,000 loss. Used car, already 3 years old, after 5 years, so 8 years old, worth approximately 25% of the original price equals $7,500. Depreciation equals $10,500 loss. Used car saves $7,500 in depreciation. 2. Financing, loan interest. New car, $30,000 loan, right pointing arrow $4,000 in interest over 5 years. Used car, $18,000 loan, right pointing arrow $2,400 in interest. Used car saves $1,600 in financing. 3. Insurance. New car, $1,500 per year, right pointing arrow $7,500 over 5 years. Used car, tilde $1,000 per year right pointing arrow $5,000 over 5 years used car saves tilde $2,500 in insurance. 4. Fuel. Same model, similar efficiency. Both. 12,000 miles divided by 30 mpg times $3.50 equals tilde $1,400 per year over 5 years equals $7,000 for both, no major difference, unless comparing old versus new tech like hybrids, EVs. 5. Maintenance and amp. Repairs new car. First 3 years often under warranty right pointing arrow lower costs. Years 4 to 5 equals tilde $500 per year. Total tilde $1,000 to $1,500. Used car, 3 years old to start, out of warranty sooner. Higher likelihood of repairs, brakes, tires, suspension, battery. AVG tilde $1,200 per year right pointing arrow tilde $6,000 over 5 years. New car saves tilde $4,500 in repairs, maintenance. Total 5-year cost of ownership new car, 5 years, used car, 5 years, depreciation $18,000 $10,500 financing, interest, $4,000 $2,400 insurance $7,500 $5,000 fuel $7,000 $7,000 maintenance, repairs $1,500 $6,000 total, 5 years, $38,000 $30,900 summary. New car offers fewer repair headaches and greater peace of mind but costs more overall. Better known reliability history of the car model. The reliability history of the specific car model is an important factor when comparing new versus used cars. Reliability history and its impact buying new. You start with a clean slate, no prior owner abuse, hidden accidents, or skipped maintenance. Covered by full factory warranty, so unexpected failures are less financially painful. If the model is new, though, long-term reliability data may not yet exist, so there's some uncertainty. If the car is a new redesign or first-year model, there may be teething problems, bugs, recalls, not yet well documented. Higher upfront cost, and you may be the guinea pig for untested features. Buying used a model that's been on the market for several years will have a well-documented reliability record, Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, owner forums. You can target models, years with proven durability, e.g., Toyota Corolla, Honda Accord, Lexus RX. Some used cars may have certified pre-owned, CPO, warranties, adding peace of mind. Cons. Higher risk of breakdowns as the car ages, especially after 5 to 7 years. If buying used without records, you may face uncertain maintenance history. Repairs may cost more out of pocket, as warranty coverage is limited or expired. Reliability advantage. New versus used. If the model is already well known for reliability, right pointing arrow buying it used is generally lower risk and more cost effective. If the model is newly redesigned with improved reliability, right pointing arrow buying it new, with warranty, may be safer. Rule of thumb. Buy used if the car has a strong track record, e.g., Toyota Camry, Honda Civic, Mazda CX-5, Lexus ES. Buy new if the car is a redesigned or first-year model without a long reliability history, or if you want maximum warranty protection. List of car models with well-known long-term reliability, ideally spanning 5 to 10 years, or even longer. Here's a curated overview based on expert surveys, real-world data, and brand reputation. Top reliable used car models, 5 to 10 years older, from IC Cars, most reliable used cars for the money. 2025. IC Cars analyzed price versus expected remaining lifespan to identify the top-performing used models. Honda Fit, most reliable 5-year-old used car. Approximately 11.6 years remaining, tilde $1,583 per year, also highly ranked. Volkswagen Passat, Buick Encore, Honda Civic, Mazda 3, Toyota Corolla, Honda CR-V UK-based real-world reliability, Parkers, Motor Easy, combining fleet data, warranty claims, Mo results, owner's reviews. BMW 3 Series, highly reliable, though maintenance costs a bit higher. Parker's Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model Y, Kia Sportage, Volvo XC60 also rated highly in fleet reliability. Parker's Australia, local perspective, big box cars, Car Scoop, reflecting what performs well on Australian roads. Toyota Corolla, iconic for reliability, often surpasses 300,000 kilometers. Brand level insights, global. According to Consumer Reports, Parker's, and others, Toyota, Honda, Lexus, Mazda, Hyundai, Kia, Suzuki all frequently top reliability rankings based on hands-on experience and widespread reputation. Honda Civic, Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Lexus ES, Ford Crown Victoria, all noted for crossing 200,000 plus miles with ease. Lexus LS consistently ranked highest in J.D. Power and Consumer Reports for long-term dependability. Hybrid and EV considerations, growing reliability in newer technologies. Toyota Prius, top hybrid choice for reliability and value. EVs are improving, but still lag behind gas models in overall reliability. Surveys summary. Most reliable used models, 5 to 10 plus years. Model reliability highlights. Honda Fit, best 5-year used value and lifespan. Honda Civic, long-lasting, popular on multiple lists, often exceeds 200 km. Toyota Corolla, globally trusted, regularly used beyond 300 km. Mazda 3, great balance of reliability and value. Honda CR-V, Buick Encore, VW Passat, Toyota Prius, Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Lexus ES, Lexus LS, legendary endurance, premium reliability. The Sun, Wikipedia. The Sun, Mazda CX-5, Subaru Forester, Toyota Helix, Kia Cerato, reliable SUV, pickup choices. Regionally recommended. bigboxcars.com.au, carscoop.com.au. What this means for your decision if reliability is a top priority. These proven models reduce the risk of unexpected repairs and maximize long-term ownership value. Buying used among these models often offers the best blend of cost and predictable service life. On the other hand, buying new still makes sense if you want zero history, full warranty protection, and the latest features, especially if the model has little track record yet. Let me know if you want to drill down into specific model years, compare maintenance costs, or even apply this to your earlier 5-year total cost analysis. You said, can you combine all info into SIMP text document for text-to-video generation? ChatGPT said, car buying analysis, buying a new car versus buying a used car. Benefits of buying a used car: lower price. Used cars are cheaper upfront, letting you afford higher trims or luxury models. Less depreciation. Most depreciation has already happened, so value holds better. Lower insurance, premiums are usually cheaper. Cheaper registration. In some regions, older cars cost less to register. More value for money, bigger or better equipped models within your budget. Benefits of buying a new car: latest features, advanced safety tech, infotainment, and efficiency. Warranty coverage. Most new cars come with 3 to 5 years warranty. Better financing deals. Automakers often offer lower interest or rebates. Customization. Choose your trim, color, and features. Peace of mind. No prior damage, hidden issues, or skipped maintenance. Environmentally friendly. Newer models often meet stricter emissions and fuel economy standards. 5-year lifetime cost analysis assumptions. New car, $30,000. Used car, 3 years old, $18,000, 12,000 miles per year. Fuel $3.50 per gallon. 30 mpg, 5% loan. 60 months cost breakdown. Depreciation. New equals $18,000 loss. Used equals $10,500 loss. Right pointing arrow. Used saves $7,500 financing. New equals $4,000 interest. Used equals $2,400. Right pointing arrow. Used saves $1,600 insurance. New equals $7,500. Used equals $5,000. Right pointing arrow. Used saves $2,500 fuel. Both equals $7,000. Right pointing arrow. No difference. Maintenance, repairs. New equals $1,500. Used equals $6,000. Right pointing arrow. New saves $4,500 total 5-year cost. New car equals $38,000. Used car equals $30,900. Checkmark. Used car is $7,000 cheaper overall, but new car offers fewer repair headaches. Reliability history. New cars. Clean slate, full warranty, but untested long-term reliability, especially first-year redesigns. Used cars. Proven track record available, but higher repair risk as the car ages. Rule of thumb. Buy used if the model has a strong reliability history. Buy new if the model is brand new or redesigned, with no reliability record yet. Most reliable models, 5 to 10 plus years. Honda Fit, Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Mazda 3, Honda CR-V, Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Lexus ES, Lexus LS, Mazda CX-5, Subaru Forester, Toyota Helix, Kia Cerato, Toyota Prius. Hybrid reliability leader, brands with best reputation: Toyota, Honda, Lexus, Mazda, Hyundai, Kia, Suzuki. Final takeaway: used car advantage, lower cost, slower depreciation, proven reliable models exist. New car advantage, warranty, peace of mind, cutting-edge features, and fewer early repairs. Smart strategy. If reliability is known, e.g., Corolla, Civic, Camry, buying used maximizes value. If the model is new to market, buying new provides safety and warranty protection.